First question is from Johnny W. Branscombe. What can I do to get more roadmap veins? I have a lot of veins, but I want the ones in my forearms to stick out more. What should I do? I'm already sub 10% fat. Take a pump and use sodium. Is there any way to get even more?
Oh,
genetics,
is this a real desire?
Yes,
Yeah,
people love it, dude.
You want to be all veiny?
Chicks love it too.
Really?
Yeah, especially if you're a nurse. How do you not know this? You have a nurse wife.
Yeah, but they like the fact that like it's easy to apply like shots or whatever, but like like what's the other benefit is my thing. Like what
she's lying to you. She's not even telling you, bro.
I'm gonna ask her right now.
This
is weird. I picked this because it's a weird question.
Well, first off,
people love it.
Just to this specific person who's already sub 10% body fat, sounds like pump supplements, I think what's what they're trying to say, uses sodium. I mean, no, there's not much else you could do. I mean, genetics plays a large role. Like I have veins in my shoulders
genetics
up as high as 60%
genetics
body
play the
fat.
biggest role.
Yeah.
Genetics and then body fat percentage.
I mean, you see pro bodybuilders on stage without a lot of veins who are lean as hell, and then you got other guys who get the crazy looking varicose veins in their legs, which is disgusting.
Yeah.
So
throbbing veins everywhere.
Yeah, I mean, but generally it's getting lean, being well hydrated. Those are the two main things. And the reason why people may find some veins attractive, because you're right, I think women like some, but not a lot, right? You don't want the crazy looking ones, is because it's just a sign that someone's lean. That's all. Just looks like it shows off that you're at a decent.
Yeah, I can't speak to why certain women like it or not. I know I've had plenty of comments from like nurses for that reason, like just because I think it's easy to find, right? The point that Justin made.
Yeah.
Do you get really veiny when you're shredded?
Yeah.
Where?
I mean, I'm naturally vascular.
Oh,
already.
a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Right there.
No, like crazy. When I get really lean, they'll pop out everywhere. Yeah. So they definitely
That's a weird thing. Like I used to, when I would play sports or I get like really angry, I'd get this like two veins in my forehead. It was always would stick out. Like this doesn't really happen as much anymore. But interesting.
Is this the kid right here who's asking the question?
Yes.
Yeah, he's pretty lean already. And you see he's got some vascularity. He's got the bicep vein and some forearm vein stuff, but he's already lean enough that he would be, if he was a vascular person, it would be popping out already.
Yeah. Now, one thing that I noticed,
just draw them on.
When I got really lean, if I get below, let's say 8% or 7%, is that I notice my veins will come out after I eat, especially if I eat carbs, like almost within 15 minutes. I'll eat carbs and then within 15 minutes, I'll see my veins start to come out.
Oh, big time.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're super depleted and lean like that, and then I used to love that. I mean, you would see it like happen within 30 minutes to an hour. All of a sudden they start popping out. But yeah, I mean, there's just like a level of like that you can actually control. Is the big thing is going to be if you already genetically are that way and then getting really lean, all the carb and water manipulation to try and look more vascular, that's all temporary.
Yeah, so you do all that before you go out, and then you do a little BFR, and then you got your veins all throbbing, dude.
Yeah, that's taking it to another. That's taking it to another level.
You know, all the pump supplements and stuff like that. I mean, they might help a little bit, but I don't think it's going to make a huge difference.
All that stuff is temporary, though. Yeah. I mean, imagine if you want to be more vascular, you want to be more vascular all the time. You're not looking for a 30-minute fix, right? That's right. I would think.
Yeah, so. I used to work with I used to train some vascular surgeons. One of the more popular procedures that they would do that was not a prescribed procedure, right? Because they would have to work a lot on people who were going to die and stuff like that. But they did some cosmetic procedures. One of them was varicose vein type of surgery, where they'd actually go in and they would almost kill the vein so that the person doesn't have varicose veins anymore. It's pretty crazy.